So we will start with a few more modifications to our package. But first thing, let's quickly fix this tables issue. So I'll go in my resource folder. Index, I have one th missing, so I'll do that. This is fixed. So we need to show our audit, right? So why don't we go into our routes file? Okay, so get URL. I'll say view slash, we will load up the audit. It's a way to do route model binding where I'll pass the entire audit. I will use the survey controller view method. Okay, and let's name it survey view. Okay, so I'll need to add that method in here. And so let's say um, we are passing this, we are making this thing as audit, right? Which means Laravel now knows that I need to load up an audit from the audit model instance, and so by default I'll get that instance here. Okay, which means I don't need to worry about things like whether that audit record exists or not. It will automatically take that. To prove the point, why don't we just dd that thing? Okay, so our route is view slash, and we'll go here, and let's just say we have one which is true. You can see that we have this small WordPress small site checklist which is correct. And if I do let's say 2, it doesn't go. It just says sorry, the page you are looking for could not be found, which means it is automatically doing a 404. So we are loading it, that's not a problem. Now why don't we quickly say if the audit is published equals 0. Okay, if it is not published, for now I'll just do a permission denied. Ideally what I would like to do is, in the listing itself, where is that? Let me add one so that you understand. So this is published. Oh, I should have done Drupal small website checklist. Okay, and let's say this is not published. Now what is going to happen is, when this is id 123, right? So when I do view slash 1, it will load up. For 2, it will load up. For 3, it gives me permission denied, which means this is working. All right, and let's just, for now we will return a view. Let me first create that. So I'll have survey view blade. I have stolen the entire view from the add form and we'll just remove it for now. We don't need the form. And let's just say we will show up audit, its name, right? Open database. I'm still doing SQLite, but you are free to use any database for now. We haven't done anything which is specific to, let's say, MySQL or SQLite, so anything should work for you. Its name, so I'll just print that out. And why don't we just add an HR just like that? Okay, and let's stick to 2. This is my controller. Return, I'll just steal it from this method rather. Yeah, and this is survey view. Okay, and I need to pass the audit which I'm getting here automatically. The controller is doing that, so I should see something in here. Another survey, which means, yeah, these two routes are working. And let us quickly handle this. So let me load up the index view. Survey view, right? So should work. And keep this hash for now. Okay, permission denied. Another survey. All right, so what we have done so far is not very difficult. We have just you know created this view which is getting the data from this controller, which is getting its data as a route model binding. And yeah, that's about it. In the next video, let's just have the concept of a survey which has questions to it, and we can add questions in there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the videos, do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.